Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so if you've read and understood, considering it history-taking station, please begin.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
I'm Dr. Bosch, one of the C2 doctor. Can I have a look your armband?
Yes?
Okay, Lija Green, 65 years old. All right.
Yes. Yes.
Today I assigned to ask you some question to test your memory. Would you mind if you ask you some question for
Yes, sure.
testing your memory?
Yes, doctor, go
Thank
ahead.
you very much. Thank you very much. How are you feeling now today, Lija?
I'm just tired, I don't know.
Okay. All right. I am going to ask you some question and you will answer me as much as you can.
Okay.
Can we proceed?
Yes, sure.
Okay. Can you tell me the what place we are now?
Doctor, it's hospital.
Yes, right. Can you tell me the time? What is the time now?
It's morning, doctor.
Okay, right. What is your date of birth?
Oh, that was long time ago. I don't remember, doctor.
All right, so no problem, Lija. Can you tell me the what age of you?
Um, I don't know. I'm still young,
Yeah.
36.
36. No problem. No problem. Can you tell me the what is my job?
Your doctor. You just told
Yes.
me, didn't
Yes.
you?
Good. Fantastic. Can you tell me her job?
She's your secretary. I don't know who she is.
Okay. No problem. Uh, can you tell me the count backwards from 20 to 1?
How, doctor?
Can you count
20,
backwards? 20. Yeah. From
18, 15, 13, 8,
okay.
2, 0.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Okay, now I'm telling you the address and I will ask you later. 26 East Street. Please remember, I will ask you later on. Can you tell me the when the Second World War ended?
That ended in 1940, doctor.
Okay, can you tell me the present president of America?
President Obama.
Okay, can you tell me the address I asked you before?
Oh, I don't remember.
Okay, no problem.
Downtown, yes, New York. I don't remember. This is what
Okay,
you
no
said.
problem. Yes, no problem. To complete your assessment, I want to do some more examination. That's we call the um, MMSC, that is the examination, and that's why I'll ask you some more question and give you some problem to solve. If you mind, don't mind, we can proceed.
Yes.
Okay, Lija, can you tell me, Lina, can you tell me the what year is it?
Doctor, it's 2000.
Okay, and the what season now?
It's summer.
Okay, no problem. The what month now?
It's April.
Okay, no problem. What's the day today?
It's first April. I
Okay,
don't know.
okay, no problem. What is the day today?
Day, it's Friday.
Okay, no problem.
Is it
Can you
Friday,
tell?
doctor? Yes.
No problem. Can you tell me the which country we are right now?
In USA,
Okay, the which city of USA?
New York.
New York, right? Good, you're doing better. The which building we are right now?
It's hospital.
Right. In which floor?
I don't know, doctor.
Okay, no problem, Lina. Okay, now I'm tell you the three object name and you will tell me and I will also ask you later on. That is
Okay.
the one is that apple, table and the penny. Can you tell me the name of the three object?
Ball, Steak, and I don't know
Okay,
the
no
third one.
problem. Can you spell the word world?
No, doctor.
Okay, that is the WORLD. Can you backspell this one?
Oh, no way.
Okay, no problem. Can you tell me the three object I tell you before?
Ball, stick, and I don't know, paper.
Okay, no problem. Can you tell me the object this one?
No, doctor. What is it?
No problem. It is the pen.
Okay.
And this one?
Ball.
No, this is the wristwatch. No problem.
Okay.
Will you repeat after my complete the sentence? That is the if nots, ends, or but. Can you tell me?
If, but, and not.
Okay, good. Uh, now I'll give you the paper. You will fold it and put on the floor. Okay.
Okay. Can you summarize your history now, please?
Yes. Miss Lija Green, who is 65 years old, admitted in the hospital for the TS surgery, and the patient presented to me with the confusion and disoriented. And
Yes.
uh, so my professional diagnosis is the acute confusion due to the delirium or dementia.
So, do you think the patient's operation should go ahead?
No, because the patient is not retain the information and cannot give the informed consent.
Okay. So, what are the other differential diagnoses you would consider for this
Yes,
patient?
it may be the case of the urinary tract infection, sepsis, or the pneumonia, maybe the electrolyte imbalance, maybe the hyper or hypoglycemia, or meningitis and encephalitis, or brain subarachnoid hemorrhage.
What management or treatment can you suggest for this patient?
Yes, I'll do the some examination. It includes the pulse, blood pressure, respiratory rate, temperature, and oxygen saturation. Then I'll do the some investigation. It includes the complete blood count, random blood sugar, liver function test, renal function test, urine RME, blood culture, chest X-ray, CT scan, and I also involve the GP of the patient and the family member, close family member of the patient.
Okay.
And I also consult my surgical consultant and the anesthetic consultant.
And what about the medical registrar?
Yes, ma'am. Medical register also.
Yes, that is more important because
Yes, ma'am.
patient could have medical condition
Yes, ma'am.
because of which patient is presenting like this. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.